Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes, love balconies, love the energy. Walking down a street in Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down a street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Take a stroll in Saigon, it's what you need. Clear your mind, Saigon streets.
Okay, so that's our street. Tung, which I'm mispronouncing. That's our cross street. Got lots of traffic coming this way. We're gonna go down this street with the lights on and everything. Check it all out and give you another taste of Saigon, which is my last night. So the videos will be stopping for Saigon for the series, for the 2024 series. So let's there's a tour bus right there. Okay, so let's start our street. Oh, Saigon. Okay, this one I can't pronounce it, but you can see it up on the map. You can see exactly where we are, and we're kind of getting near the nighttime, and it's actually my last night in Saigon. That means I only have a few videos left. So I filmed this one, and I kind of captured it right in the beautiful time of the night. You can see that in the preview already, and then I just got a few more. So you might want to try to catch those. You can always check out all the past ones as well by searching in my website, in my channel, or you can go all the way to the end of the video, or wait till you get there, and there'll be links. You can just click on the past ones, and I think I have like about 30 of them total, 29 I think, yeah, something like that. Anyways, let's just get into it. The music, I wrote that, put it in II. There's the lyrics coming down, and I know you just want to see it as if you were there yourself. Walk and talk time, Saigon. Okay. So we are going to, there's Saigon Chill way over there. I see Saigon Chill everywhere. And we're gonna navigate through. Let's see if we can, kind of stuck. There we go. Okay, so we had a little bit of a bottleneck there. Now we can check out the view. So that's where we're going to start at. There's our Carlsberg. And you got this kind of cool looking architecture, which is pretty common everywhere in Saigon, so I'm glad to capture it for you. Something smells really good right in here. I don't know what that is. Is that this one? It smells really good. Wow. That smells great. So we're going to keep on walking down. I do want to capture more of the architecture. Lion Saigon restaurant. The lighting looks pretty good tonight. But usually it'll start to look bad soon, so this could probably be my last video. Once it gets too dark, I can't really film. Lion restaurant is not on, but it looks, the lights aren't on, but yeah, okay. Got a coffee shop right in here. Tung Cafe. It's like a good place to sit, hang out. More stuff over there. has all these nice chairs everywhere. Yeah, that is a really beautiful building, especially at nighttime. That looks really nice. It's all kind of illuminated at nighttime. Vietnamese people are so friendly. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. I like this neighborhood. I kind of want to come back to Saigon and stay in this neighborhood. And I saw some other, I filmed this street not too long ago. So maybe you can remember from 2 videos ago. I went down this tree-lined street. There's Tung. And then down that way there's some really cool stuff down in these alleys. And that alley right there has a place called New York Slice Pizza. It's called paper plate pizza is what it's called, which is a pretty cool name because that's kind of New York style. They put it on a paper plate. Vietnamese is so good. Vietnamese food is so good already. Foot massage. Coffee shop. Oh, that coffee shop has the whole thing all the way down. Check out those buildings too, this architecture, just of those 2 buildings alone right there. Like super tall with that small building in between them. Architecture here is beautiful. That's a hotel right there. I kind of want to stay in this area next time. So here's another coffee shop. So this one's called Lin. Okay, so I am going to cross the street right now. Just kind of give you an idea where we're at. Architecture there. It's on my hotel. Okay, so we're gonna go down this way. Kind of meander down a little bit more. So let me just see. I might be ending the video shortly. There's feels a little bit like a dead space of not much lights, not much activity. And then the camera isn't as interesting, but I see some people up here, so we'll just capture and go all the way through. Hello. Okay. Lights are kind of illuminating. Chinese restaurant over there. It's a church to the right. See more cool stuff everywhere. Yeah, Saigon is a pretty cool city. Let's see what this back to Koba. I'm kind of curious to see what this one is all about as well. So we got this particular one for the happy hour, and we got that one right there too, which has some pretty cool stuff inside. Nice music too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going. And actually that one has a busy church service going on. I think that's where I'm gonna end the video. We'll try to get over there.
Saigon, every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon, by the time you view this I'll be gone, but I miss you, Saigon.